guys, so I'm actually on the way to pick up a hood for the Jeep Wrangler. As you guys can tell in the previous videos, my hood is shot, and from the previous video where I painted the pillar on the windshield, that cost me around $50 just to do that little trim. I can't imagine how much the hood would cost, and it probably cost me a lot more just to get it professionally done. So I ended up finding a hood out last night on I think OfferUp, and the guy wanted like 200 bucks. Anyways, I got him down to $50, and I said, done deal, I'll be there and pick it up in the morning. So I'm here, I'm about a minute away from his house. I'm a little early, so I'm kind of killing some time here at the gas station. But yeah, from what I read online, a lot of you guys say the hood will fit in the Jeep Wrangler as long as you lay the hood, as long as you lay the seats down. So I've done that. Hopefully it fits because I'm already here, and this guy's house is about an hour away from mine. So if it doesn't fit, it'll fit. I think it'll fit. Anyways, yeah. As far as the old hood, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I'm either gonna scrap it, or I'm thinking about buying a wrap and wrapping the hood. At least attempting to wrap the hood. I've wrapped other stuff before in the past. I wrapped stuff on my Raptor and on my Lexus before. I'll put those up here somewhere for you guys to check them out. I'm thinking about buying a pretty crazy wrap and wrapping it, and if it turns out pretty good, I'll put it back on the Jeep, and if it doesn't, I'll just scrap it. But yeah, let me text this guy and see if he's awake and pick this hood up, and let's take it back home. It's cold outside. Alright, so he said he's gonna bring it out. I'm at an apartment complex, so if I get shot, at least I got it on GoPro. Which I don't think I'm gonna get shot. Looks like pretty nice apartments. Right? Oh well. Well, I guess I'll scratch my lottery tickets that I just got. In the meantime, I'd be a millionaire if I buy me a new hood. Buy a new Jeep. Gotta be here. It's gotta be here. Well, what I read, it said it can. Nice. Look at that. So, we're gonna go through there, yeah. Okay, there you go. Look at that. Wow. Who would have thought?
Alright. You want some of those wood blocks, the cardboard, or?
Oh, no, you're good, man. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Great.
Perfect. Fits like a glove, guys. Let's go home and put this thing on. Alright guys, so before I install the hood, I need to actually paint this cowl cover here and the two latches because they're actually faded also. So I'm gonna take this off and the latches, sand them down and paint them the same way how I painted the top windshield mounting here. So let's get this off first and then sand it down. Hold on to this one.
Yeah,
I got this one.
Yeah. It's time to hear me?
Should be. Huh? Alright guys, so we need a 13mm ratchet for the bolt and a Torx 50 for the top bolts. So using 320 and this little soft hand pad. Alright guys, so I've got it pretty much. I got the hinges sanded down as well, as good as I could. Got them both sanded down using the 320. I went ahead and sanded it down a little bit more on this. Now I'm just gonna use acetone here to kind of clean the surface and get it ready to paint. Kind of really clean the area really well. Get all as much of that. Get all the oils from our hands. Gonna be using just the Duplicare black, the universal black. Alright guys, so I've already got about 4 coats on the cowl. It's looking pretty good. The latches are sprayed as well. I put about 3 coats on those. Everything looks pretty good, nice and covered. It's been about 30 minutes. Alright guys, I'm using this 2K clear to finish off the cowl. This stuff is the stuff you want to use whenever you're going to clear anything that you've painted. This stuff is really dangerous, guys. You definitely want to wear a respirator and some gloves and the full deal. You want to cover yourself and skin, because this stuff is really dangerous, but this is the best stuff you can get. So you shake it for 2 minutes and then you activate it, and after that this stuff is no good anymore. It's gonna get hard and it's not gonna be good anymore. So you definitely want to make sure that if you're gonna use it, you are ready to use it and clear whatever you're going to clear. But so don't activate it unless you're ready to use it and you're going to be done with it, because this is only good for 48 hours and this thing's going to turn solid. Okay guys, so here is the final look. As you guys can tell, it's super glossy in the light. It turned out really nice. The 2K clear made it really shine. Here's the hinges, came out good as well. Yeah, it looks awesome, guys. All right guys, so while this is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and see about swapping the hoods over. I have to swap the latches over. The other hood actually has the bump stops and the little hook, but I need to swap over the latches. And on my hood, mine's an 09, it's only got 1 washer nozzle in the middle. And on the newer hoods, I think the 2010 and up, correct me if I'm wrong, they come with 2 washer nozzles. So I'm gonna have to, actually on the other one already has it, but if yours doesn't have it, you're gonna have to buy some washer nozzle extension or some new stuff. So I just need to take this off on this one. Should better grab this hood. It's not that heavy. Bring. Okay. So this is going to be a 8mm. All right. So we'll just get these started. Add the final piece. All right, guys, now I got the hood on, the latch is on, everything's back on. It looks super slick. I'm not gonna paint these because I'm actually gonna replace these with something different. So that's why I didn't paint this, but man, that looks glossy. Came out super nice. The finish is really clean, guys. All right, so if you like this video, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.